Regarding the payments, what's the pay structure? How are you gonna pay? Is it like per client or is it like per month? What's the pay structure look like?
Yeah, of course. So I'm looking to pay you guys monthly per client. It would be 30% of the total payment that the client makes to my agency would go directly to you.
Where are you
Yeah, of
from,
course.
Sam?
I'm from just outside Chicago in the
Okay,
United States.
that's really
What
great.
about yourself?
We're from Bangladesh. Have you heard about the country
Okay.
before?
Yeah, no, I've heard it's beautiful.
Okay, that's great. So, Sam, let me know about your business. What kind of ad campaign you want to run, and what have you tried in the past? Can you please give me a brief rundown about your business?
Yeah, of course. So my business is actually a marketing agency. And so what I want to do is bring you guys in as contractors and then contract your work out to other people who ended up needing marketing more than I do. Because what I have seen through the work that I've been sent is that your expertise in social media buying would be incredibly vital to my business goals. And really, I see a lot of potential with what you guys are doing. And I see that it could help me and go a long way with my planned upcoming projects. A lot of the clients that I'm trying to bring in are typically small businesses, either already in e-commerce or looking to grow their platform through a social media buying aspect. And so one that I'm looking into and reaching out to is called Cabana. It's a non-alcoholic beverage company looking to expand their buyers through social media buying. Another one is an e-learning platform called the Learner Club, which has basically zero online presence aside from a website. So what they need is help bringing in buyers, and that's where I would come to you guys and essentially pay you guys to create these ads and run these ads for these companies. So I would bring you companies that need help in your realm of work.
Got it. So you are targeting only e-commerce, correct? E-commerce business.
Typically, yes. Yes, that's the goal.
Okay, that's great. Do you have any website?
I currently do not have a website.
How many clients you have onboarded already?
Currently, I have no clients onboarded, but I'm talking to several.
Okay, and that's not a
Nothing
problem.
contracted.
You're using any kind of CRM to maintain the data?
Currently, the CRM is on me.
Okay, all manual. So when are you planning to onboard the clients? What's the plan?
The plan is as soon as possible. Currently, I am drafting contracts for these clients. In these contracts, it details payment, how often they pay me, when they pay me. And then my biggest thing is finding buyers, social media buyers like yourself, so I can actually get that work started for them. So the plan is to come to you guys, get you guys signed first, so I have someone who can do the work for them, and then I sign the clients on.
I got it. So what's your plan? Are you going to run the ad on Facebook and Instagram platform or Google, YouTube, or TikTok? Which platform are you going to use?
Typically, it would be Facebook ads. Facebook ads would be the main goal for most of these companies. A few of them are looking to other sources of ads, such as Instagram.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about ourselves in brief. I've been working as a media buyer for the last 6 years. I worked on different niches. I worked on solar, home improvement, then Cairo, CrossFit gym, and different other niches. But those are the niche that I worked for a long time. And I don't know whether Shahid shared screenshot with you about the case studies. Those are actually our previous clients that we worked for. The case study that he shared with you. Okay, and currently I'm also connected with a recruitment agency,
Mm.
and I'm also connected with a chiro agency. That guy helping chiropractors get high quality patients through Facebook ad campaign. Okay, and we have also experience in e-commerce. So currently we are not connected with any e-commerce client. That's why I cannot share the screen or show you the current result. Okay, but we have experience in that platform as well. Is there anything else you want to know about us?
I guess I was really just wondering what you guys are looking for from me in terms of how many clients you'd like me to bring in per month, things like that.
We can take care as many clients as you want. I have experience taking care around 15, 20 clients only by myself. So I have a team now, so we can take care 20, 30, as many clients as you can onboard. Okay. And regarding the payments, what's the pay structure? How are you going to pay? Is it like per client or is it like per month? What's the pay structure look like?
Yeah, of course. So I'm looking to pay you guys monthly per client. It would be 30% of the total payment that the client makes to my agency would go directly to you. I would pay through an application called Strive. It processes through credit card payments, which is just it's a much more secure way to do things rather than a bank transfer. If there's ever any problems with you getting your money or me getting money from the client, it's much more easy to dispute a credit card payment, as I'm sure you're aware, than it is to dispute a bank transfer.
So you have the only one platform is Strive? You don't have any other platform?
No, not currently.
What about Payoneer, Wise? Are you Remitly? Are you familiar with those platforms? PayPal?
I'm familiar with PayPal. I can set one up. Any platform that you would need me to set up to give you payment, I'm open to looking into for sure.
Okay, currently, actually, Stripe is not available in our country, so that's not going to work. You can pay us through Wise. Wise is good because the exchange rate is good.
Okay, yeah.
And we can get paid instantly through Wise.
All right, yeah, for sure. I can definitely look into Wise. And going further with the payment, the plan would be for me to discuss with the client how much money that they're able to pay me basically. And then I would give that 30% to you. I would need you to discuss with the client the cost of running the ads and maintaining those ads. But ultimately, that cost would end up going through me. So your 30% would remain that fixed rate, and any ad cost would come out of the rest of the money that the client gives to me. So your 30% is covered automatically, regardless of how much those ads cost to run, because that money comes out of me.
So you are taking the ad spend from the client?
Yes.
Including your payment, including your charge. So why not you asking the client to pay the ad spend for by himself? Like he can attach the card into the ad account and he can bear the ad spend.
That is an option as well.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, and we need creative from the client. We need ad account access, page access, photos of the product, videos if he has any videos of the products, and we need minimum 4 or 5 days before we launch the ad campaign. Once you onboard the client, if you get all the access, ad account, page, the creative, photos, we need 4 or 5 days to work on the ad campaign, and then we are good to go.
Okay, perfect. Is there anything else that you're wondering about me, my experience?
No, it's fine. Seems like we are in the same page, and if you think that we are good for you, then I would love to get a contract from you. If you can send a contract when we can start working, that would be great.
Yeah, for sure. If I just get one of your emails, I can send it to you through Facebook Messenger as well. I have a contract already written out that you guys can review and contact me if there's any changes that you think would be in order as well.
Yeah, here is the email. Yeah, and here is my name.
All right, perfect.
You got it? I sent it to the chat.
All right. Thank you. I got it.
Okay. Okay, Sam, it's been nice talking with you. Is there any other question you have?
No, I'm just really excited to get to work with you guys.
Okay, same here, same here. It's been nice talking with you, and looking forward to working for you.
I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day, guys.